Hey, so here is another immediate action to break no more. Where are we going right now? We are going on the social media, and we are going about the social media diet audit. It's an exercise of creation according to your values. um, like this, the content that you consume is more aligned with your values. So what do you do? What you do is you open your favorite social media app, the one you spend the most time on, and you scroll for 30 seconds, and you unfollow one account that feels out of alignment with your core values. You have to understand to say no, to respect your boundaries, and you have to curate the things that are out putting you have to put the things that are out of your value system out of your view as well. It's good and not good at the same time, because whatever, now we want to find alignment. So you just fucking do this. And why would you do this? Just because the information that you consume shapes your thoughts. And the thing is that you want good influence. You want influence that is aligned with your values, to be able to just duplicate subconsciously what you consume, right? And so you need to create a space where your values are expressed. So this is a part of your environment, the social app that you consume every day, and you have to create your environment so that it supports you. And this is a way to make sure that it supports you. If you really don't like the fact of putting away something, and if you feel like anxious, you just put away, you unfollow one account, and you find another account that's aligned with your values. Like this, you just switch a little each time. So do this every time that you meet something that makes you feel drained or irritated or envious, right? And like this, you're going to be able to find more peace in your social media consumption. And yeah, this is as well how you assert your boundaries, and how you are becoming less a victim of what's going on in your surrounding. It's small, it's not much, but it's effective.